Today we're going to have a look at advising graphing linear equations or graphing the lines. What we do here is first we fill out a table of values and then we plot the points. So looking at the first one, we have our equation y equals x plus 3. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be substituting in the x values into that equation. So if I just stick the x values down here at the minute, and then I put them in, then the first one, y equals minus 1 plus 3 equals 2. Second one, y equals 0 plus 3 equals 3. Next one, y equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. And the last one, y equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. So these are my x values. In each equation, x is equal to those values. If I fill in my table over here, I've got y equals 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I simply go down and plot them. So 0, 3, 0, 3 is where it crosses the y-axis. I've got minus 1, 2, and I've got 1, 4, 2, 5. I draw a line through those points. That is my equation, y equals x plus 3. If we look at another one, let's have a look at number 6. Y equals 5 minus x. Now I'm going to do the same thing. My values are minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So substituting in my equations, I have y equals 5 minus 1, which is equal to 6. 2 minus is a plus. My next one is y equals 5 minus 0 equals 5. Next I have y equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. Y equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. So again, I can put these with my x values again. I got out of my table. I'll come back here and put those values in. I've got 6, 5, 4, 3. And again, if I'm plotting that, I'm going to start off with minus 1. My first one 0, 5. So there's my axis, and then minus 1, 6, 1, 4, 2, 3. And again, we can see we've got minus 1 in front of the x. So we know we've got a negative gradient, and that's what we ended up with. Through there it goes. Finally, I'll see if I can find another one. Okay, what about, they can be put in different forms. Let's come down here and go with one that's in a different form. Let's go 2x plus y equals 1. We can still do this same thing. We can write down the equation 2x plus y equals 1. And our values of x are going to be minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Still substituting in those x values. We're going to have 2 times minus 1 plus y equals 1. Sorry, let me go back to here. What we want to do in the first place is, before we do that, we really want to set up our equation so that we have y on the left hand side. So we've got y on the left hand side. The first thing we want to do is get rid of the x, so we'll subtract 2x from both sides, and we'll have y equals 1 minus 2x. Those ones will cancel out. So we've done that. Now let's put our x values in. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So we've rearranged it first. So we found y by itself on one side. Now putting them in, y equals 1 minus 2 times minus 1. So all of that is plus 2 equals 3. Y equals 1 minus 2 times 0 equals 1. Y equals 1 minus 2 times 1 equals minus 1. And y equals 1 minus 2 times 2 equals minus 3. Again, if we're looking in these brackets, that thing there was plus 2. This thing here was minus 0. This thing here was minus 2. And this thing here was minus 4. Okay, so let's put out the tables, values in again. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, 0, 1, 0, 1 is there, minus 1, 3 is up here. What else we got? 1 minus 1 is down here, and 2 minus 3 is down here. Once again, we draw our line through our line. Okay, so there's a sheet of lines here for you to do today. Work through those.